Okay nga ba ang lending? Naisip mo bang mag-venture sa lending business? Nakakatempt ba ang idea of earning from interest payments? Nako, be very careful anak. Based on my observation over many years in business, ang lending business ay hindi tungkol sa pagpapautang. It's a business of collection. Most of those who enter this kind of business ay nalulugi dahil hindi nila alam the full complexity involved. Maraming bagong nagpapautang ang hindi nababayaran, lalo na kung walang maayos na sistema. You know anak, lending is not just about providing money. It's about risk assessment at legal compliance. Let me share 3 important warnings. First, understand the legal landscape. The government strictly regulates interest rates at kung sino ang pwedeng mag-lend. Pangalawa, consider the ethical implications. Collecting from people in financial distress ay mabigat sa konsensya at reputation. And pangatlo, assess your risk tolerance honestly. Can you handle losing money if borrowers cannot repay? Now, if determined ka pa rin, start with comprehensive education. Consult financial experts, legal professionals, at accountants. Now, ito yung lesson. Hindi para sa lahat ang lending business. You need substantial capital reserves, specialized knowledge, at emotional resilience. Remember anak, maraming lending business ang nalulugi. Hindi dahil walang customers, kundi dahil hindi sila nababayaran. Kaya pag-isipan mong mabuti bago pumasok sa ganitong negosyo. There are many other businesses that are easier and less risky. You might want to consider those too. Kaya dapat isa kang maingat na business-minded Pinoy.